Hey, so we are heading out to go buy a Christmas tree in Japan. I hear that Nitori has some for the most expensive being 5,000 yen, which is about $50. I'm not sure how true that is, but we're going to go check it out. So let's go see what we can find. So we just got back from our trip and we basically went to one department store. It's called Seria and Nitori is inside of this store. So in one spot, I knocked out the dollar store, I went to Nitori, and I did a little bit of grocery shopping. But what I'm going to talk about here is what I got from Nitori and the dollar store because I'm trying to do Christmas on a budget this year. I don't want to spend too much because I'm not sure how long we're going to be in Japan. So anyway, let's get started. The first thing, when you go into Nitori, there's a really cute display of just a cozy little Christmassy like nook. And they had a cute little Christmas tree there. I think it was about 120 centimeters tall, which was a little shorter than what I wanted. I wanted something a little taller. Where's the Christmas stuff? There's the Christmas stuff. Oh, here's the Christmas tree. And I did find two Christmas trees that were 150 centimeters tall. One I really liked. It had frosted needles, and when I touched it, the frost didn't come off, which was a concern I had with frosted Christmas trees. But it was 4,500 yen. Which, again, I'm not doing conversion rates to US dollars, but let's say $45. And then there was this one that is also 150 centimeters tall. It is not frosted, but it was 1,800 yen as opposed to 4,500 yen. So $45 versus $18. This seemed like a better deal. And they have a cute little illustration of what it can look like when you decorate it, which didn't look that bad. So cute. Oh, one more thing I got from Nitori is this lap blanket. So the tree skirts that they had were about 1,800 yen. The tree skirts were about 1,800 yen or $18. And I really didn't want to spend that on a tree skirt since it usually gets covered up with presents anyway and you don't see it except for when you first put it up. So I found this lap cover. It was 450 yen. And I think it'll work really nicely. It's a rectangle, so it'll be a little unique. Thank you, baby. So it looks like this. I really liked the lace details on the end, which will look cute under the tree. And it's this really fuzzy material. It's that very fuzzy material. So I'm thinking about cutting it down the center to where the center of the tree would be and just lay it as just a rectangular tree skirt underneath the tree. We'll see how it looks. If it doesn't look great, that's okay. But that is what I got from Nitori. I got this for 450 yen and the tree for 1,800 yen. The 100 yen shop I went to is Seria. You can see that. So that is where I went. Let's look at their Christmas stuff.
Oh, I can use this like a water bottle.
Mm-hmm. I like to put white flowers on my trees, and so I got 5 stems of this really pretty white flower, and I'm going to...
They're sparkly.
Yes, because they're sparkly. So we're going to put this just kind of randomly around the tree. I also got, oh, well, let me just show you this because my daughter's going to want me to. I got a little face mask for children because we've been sick this last week. That's been fun. And I also got 3 stems of these flowers just for a little bit of pink and blush pink to kind of add around the tree in place of ornaments. And as far as ornaments go, I got different colored yarn and I'm going to make small pom-poms. It's going to be kind of a natural looking tree, if that makes sense. And then I have white. So these are going to be the pom-poms, the small pom-poms, and they're going to be strung with this silver yarn. Can you tell that it's like, it has like silver thread? Anyway, so I'm going to thread it with a silver yarn and it'll be the garland, I guess, like a pom-pom garland around the tree with the flowers. And I got this leather, it's fake, it's not real, but this leather fabric to make small feather ornaments. And let me see, oh, and I got this yarn. I was so excited about this one. It's 100% cotton, and I'm going to macrame feathers to contrast with the brown feathers that I am also going to create with the leather. And that's going to be hung up with the flowers and the colorful pom-pom with the silver. I'm really excited about that. And that's about it. The last little bit I got from the dollar store, just like hair ties and really pretty nail art. But aside from that, I am going to put up the Christmas tree and see how it looks. So let's get that going. All right. So let's try and open this thing and see how good an $18 Christmas tree can look. Let's see. So, you think so? So I just opened it. This is what it looks like when I open the box. And the base is just these little plastic pieces. So let's see.
They put rubber and it because they don't want to get it everywhere.
Yeah, they tried to organize it with rubber bands. I'm guessing this is the top. That would make sense because it looks nice. And there we go. So it pieces together like that. Put this side and we'll just slide it in. And we'll slide in this side. There we go. So here is the bottom of our tree. So these are the pieces that attach together. And they fold up pretty nicely in this box. I need to figure out. So I'm guessing, if you can tell the size difference, this is the base. This probably fits on top of this. And then there's one last piece in here that has this long little scraggly piece at the top.
That's the top.
It's the top of the Christmas tree. So let's put this together. We'll slide this in here. So let's take these down. I've had a cough for the last week, so I'm not coughing because of the tree. There's no odor or anything.
Does that feel good?
I know I don't really feel good, but it's okay. So we're just gonna bend these down. Okay, so here's the middle piece. And we'll slide this so there's like a little hole here.
How are you going to
slide it? There we go.
Perfect.
That's pretty easy.
I'm the watcher.
My children are interrupting the video. Oh no. So let's see how this looks. And so then we'll just, and then we have our Christmas tree. So let's see how this looks up against the wall. So this is how it looks. It's a little bit of a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. But for for 1,800 yen, I think we can make this work. So stay tuned for my new videos that are coming out. I'm going to show, let's see, 1, 2, 3 that I can think of right off the top of my head. 1, 2, 3 DIY ornament videos on how I'm going to decorate this tree and make it look amazing and not like a Charlie Brown Christmas.